1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I got this little device here called the Launchpad, and I thought it would be well, since I'm also using Ableton, I thought it would be interesting to combine that with Ppooll as well. I just got it one day, no, 2 I think, and here's another little device. That's a small USB, self-powered small USB hub, which I recently also bought because I was getting a bit of latency issues, or sometimes straight even total non-compliance issues with several USB devices. I'm also using this this little hub, the Midi Sport, and on the hub I got the where are you? Oh, there you are. I also have the micro modular, and especially this one with this interface was getting really annoying, and that's all in the past now because it's really working very nicely with this hub. So the Launchpad is on it as well, of course, as is my mouse and whatever, this camera as well, and no problems. And well, I'm not gonna do a demo about the Launchpad because I'm just starting out with it. You know, you got several possibilities of your layout and your setup. So I'm just starting to set up my first user setup, and I thought, oh yeah, here's MIDI notes, and I thought it would, you know, change with the grid, but it doesn't. Maybe I can do that, but I have to look into the manual or whatever. And now I got 16 same notes, and on this row I got a CC function. I was really curious about that one. So what do? We do you take your MIDI patch bay and you make a patch from the Launchpad to the max runtime, and then you may want to check whether you got something coming in. We have something coming in, and then yeah, this what you're hearing is a setup I use for a dance workshop. There's all kinds of samples I can choose from, and also the micro modulars on it with some drones, and I do have contact mic on it, which I am patching through this one. I'm gonna do that with there's a pre-delay with presets. I'm gonna one of the MIDI notes on the Launchpad I'm gonna assign to that one, and the other one, the CC one, I'm going to assign to the red filter. See what happens, how it functions. So okay, you got your control app, and you select your MIDI input, and you're having a look at the router, thing, then yeah, just do one notes. There it is. Is it CC coming in? Yes, thank you. So this one note here, I'm gonna assign it to the, what was it, pre-delay number 1. And I want to do the preset. Okay. Then I'll tell him to go, just 1 please. And then this one, how many? That's 21. And what mode? Well, cycle does work, as you can see here. And then, or the other one that I think should work as well as random. But the thing with the random is you have an on and an off. I have to look into that. Doesn't matter really. We want to hear that. Tap. 1. No. 1. 1. 1. Yeah. 1. 1. 1. 1. Oh, sorry about that. 1. 1. Yes. 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 Alright. Alright. Okay, so one button I can, if I want to be a bit more specific about it, then we cycle. Then you just do done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh well, obviously we can, you know, assign a lot of things to go through. I mean, the munger has several presets I can work with, obviously. The other thing I was more curious about was this CC function. I think it's really nice. I mean, it's not a knob, obviously. What we do is we take a wrap filter. Yes, and then what do we do? Oh yeah, I think the filter 1 gain. Ah, look at that. Look at that. Hit. Alright, that's, how much is this? 4. Give him 5, what happens? Oh, that's nice. So, wow. So each button, wow. Each button has a little range. What do I do here with minus, I think -2 would, yeah, gives me a bit more control there. This one's nice. So don't know how it works, but sort of, yeah, you, each time you tap you get a little range. I find that interesting to work with. Alright, so let's... Oh yeah, well, if you want to know, then it's good to save it. And you punch in one in here in this little preset section and give it a name. Like, I don't know. Whatever. Xpad 1. So you got that saved. Yeah. Etc. really. Yeah.